Hope you are fine. In today's lesson, we'll be discussing about the perimeter and area of combined shapes. Previously, we are doing about the perimeter and area of the other shape, but right now we'll be discussing about the combined shape. So let's see the shapes. In this first one, you can see this is a shape. First shape is there, one part whose length and some of the shapes are given. So this is a combination of what two shapes? Could anyone guide me about this shape? Yes.
Triangle and square.
Triangle and square. Okay, good guess. This is, we can say that this is a triangle and a square, but we cannot say it exactly. It's a triangle and a square. Now let's see it how we're doing it now. We'll be looking for the board. I'm drawing it here again. I want to show this now. This was the shape, and you can see if this is 12, the other side is also 12, and this is 12, this is also side the 12. So this is, somehow you are right that this is of 12 by 12. And now we are splitting it here, and this is 12, and this is a height, and its height is given here. So if this is 6, so it means this is also 6. So in the other way we will write that this is 6 and this is 12. So now we can find out the area of both the figures. Its area will be 12 multiplied by 12, length into breadth, plus triangle's area is half into base into height. Means base is 12 and the perpendicular distance is 6. So this is our area formula, triangle area formula. This is for triangle and this is for square shape. Okay, so this will become 144 plus, if you could cancel, this will become 6. So 6 is 36. So you can see that this is 0 and 4, 80, and this becomes 180 cent. If this is, so this is your area of this type of shape. Okay. Now come to the next shape. In the next shape, you can see that there is a shape with a combination of two shapes again. So how will we be doing this shape then? Anyone can tell me, guide me about it? In this shape, this is bottom is 20 centimeter and vertical is 11 centimeter, and the non-given length is at the top is 9 centimeter, and this is height, we don't know about it, but we are looking that this is the reach. Okay, now how will we doing it? Now let's check it out. Now in this shape, you can see that this is a trapezium-like shape. The word is trapezium is used for this type of shape, but this is the topic of next year. So we'll not be taking this name here. Right now we'll say that this is a rectangle and this is 11 centimeter. And what about this length? The total length is 20, but till here, what is the length? So you can see that if this is total is 20, so if this is 20, it means till here it is 9. So if this is 9, how much is remain? So we could see that 20 minus 9 is 11. So that's why it's 11 centimeter. And now this second one is a triangle which is of 9 by 11. Okay, so now we will be joining these two areas. So what will be the area of rectangle? Rectangle is 11 multiplied by 11 plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 9, or 9 multiplied by 11, the same size.
सर आप
So
दोबारा
it
से
could not
समझा
be simplified. Yes, this could not be simplified. So we'll be writing in the same way and then we'll be dividing it. So 11 multiplied by 11 is 121 plus 99 divided by 5, 2. So how much is this will be?
सर आप दोबारा से समझा सकते हैं
Yes, I'll be explaining this again. This is actually, this is a shape. In this shape you could see, uh, in this shape, you could see that this length is 20, and out of 20, this top length is 9 centimeter. If this is 9 centimeter, I'm taking this down. I'm taking this down. So that's why till here it is of 9 centimeter till here. Okay, and if we'll be splitting this will become triangle, and this becomes rectangle. So what this rectangle will be? Now, if this was total was 20, and out of 20, if we are subtracting this ninth piece to get this rectangle off, so what we'll be doing? 20 minus 9, which is equal to 11. So it means this side is 11. So height is already 11, and this is also 11 now. And what about this triangle? If this is 11, then it means this is also 11, and it means this is also 11, and this is already given that this was 9 centimeters, so it means this is also 9 centimeter. So now we could add both of them. So what will be the area? Area of rectangle is easy, just multiply base into height. So 11 multiplied by 11 plus, now we will be adding the triangle. What is the formula of triangle? 1 upon 2 into base into height. So now we'll be calculating 121 plus 9 11s are 99, because this could not be simplified, so just multiply and divide by 2. So now it becomes 121 plus, now we'll be dividing 99 by 2. By 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining, and carry 9, 2 9s are 18, sorry 2 9s are 18, 1 remaining, and point 0, 5s are 10, so now it means 49.5. So now we'll be adding these both, so we get the answer 121 and 49.5, because decimal after the decimal, if there's no decimal, it means decimal at the end. So now we'll be adding 5.0, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, and 1, so it is of 170.5, and this was in centimeters, so the answer will be in centimeter square. So like this we can calculate the combination of areas. Hope you understand this. Okay, now come to the next problem. In the next problem you could see, this is a problem, we could do it, so I would advise you to do it later on, but right now I am showing one more thing here. This is the shape. So the first shape is this one. Now you may look into this shape. This is a combination of what? This is a similarly look like the other shape. We have done it right now, but here the triangle is in between. So 10 meter at the top, 18 meter upper line, and bottom line is 30 meter, and This length is 13 meter. So we'll not be worrying about this one. So let's check it out how we'll be doing it. About the area. This is the shape, and in this shape now we'll be again splitting this shape again. This will be split like this. This is 10 meter, so it means this is also 10 meter. So after splitting, the other shape's base will also be 10 meter. Okay, now this is 18, so it means this is also 18 meter. But the total was 30. So total was 30 means after subtracting this 18, because this is 18, so we'll be getting this length. This length we could get it. So this length could be get by subtracting it 30. Total is 30. So 30 minus 18. So how much is this one? 30 minus 18 is 12 meter. So it means this length is 12 meter. Horizontal, sorry. So this horizontal, if this is here 12, so it means this is also here as 12. So now we have triangle measurement, which is base and height is given. We have rectangle measurement in which base and height is given. So now the area could be found. So we can say that area is equal base into height, your length into breadth. So 18 multiplied by 10 plus triangle area. Triangle area's formula is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Now this is base, this is the outer base length 10, and the perpendicular line, perpendicular height, which is 12. So now we could see that there is simplification possible. So previously example there was no simplification possible, but right now it is simplification possible. So this is 5. So now 18 tens are 180 plus 12 fives are 60. So what will be the answer? This answer will be of 240. But if this was in meter, this length was in meter, so answer will be in meter square. So you could see that we did not use this measurement, because this measurement will be used in finding the perimeter, but for area we only need the base and the height. So that's why we will not need this one. Okay, so like this we can solve these types of problem. Now come to the next problem. The last one I'm writing here, I'm showing here. This one. This shape you can see, this is the combination of again some multiple shapes, composite shapes. So see how we'll be solving this one. In this shape you can see that this shape is a shape like, would anyone tell me about this shape? That what is the combination of these shapes is? Would anyone guide me? The top height is 18 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter, and the top vertical height is, top on neck height is 6 centimeter, and the top horizontal height, length is 10 centimeter. So let's check it out that how we'll be doing it. This is the combination of 4 shapes. How? One is the top one, which is of 10 and 6. Okay. One is the triangle one, and one is this triangle one. Okay. And if this is 10, this is also 10, but the total length is 20. So rest one is how much? If we'll be subtracting this 10 from 20, it means we get 10. So 20 minus 10 is 10. So this 10 is split equally into here and here. So that's why This will be 5 and this will be 5. So then 5 plus 10 plus 5 is 20. So like this we'll be doing it. And if this total height is 18, total height is 18, this total height, it is given here. So it is 18. If this is 18, so it means this is also 18. So out of 18, if I'm subtracting this 6, because this is 6, so how much is remaining? So this is 12 remaining. If this is 12, it means this is also 12. So it means now we have triangle measurement of 12, 5, and then a rectangle of 12, 10, and the triangle measurement of 12 and 5. So we need to calculate these 4 areas, 2 triangles and 2 2 triangles and 2 rectangles. So write it down in your notebook, and you need to give the answer of this one. Okay? You need to give me the answer of this one. I'm sure I'll be sharing the I'll be sharing the screen of this with you as well. Okay, so hope you understand this one. If you need to know anything, you may ask me. Thank you very much for today's class. And I'm sharing the screenshot of this one. Don't worry, you don't need to write it. I'll be sharing in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.